1.4 Factorising. 1.4.1 can factorise an expression by finding one common factor. Factorising is the opposite of expanding brackets. This time you haven't got any brackets generally, and you need to put things into brackets. This is usually done by division. Factorise each of the following expressions: negative 8a, negative 24b. So the first thing that we need to do is to find what's in common between negative 8a and negative 24b. One of the easiest things to do is to see if there's any letters in common. And there isn't any, so we won't be doing anything involving letters. We can see I've got an 8 and a 24. What's the biggest number that can fit into 8 and 24? Well, let's have a look at our factors. 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12, 24. Well, the biggest number that can fit in both will be 8 and 8 here. They've both also got minuses. Now, generally, we don't have to factorize the minus out, but often we like to do so because we like to get rid of as many negatives as we can from inside a bracket. And I'll show you what I mean. So once you find the largest common factor, and we're going to take the minus out as well, we'll put it like so and get a set of brackets. Then what we'll do is we're going to put these two terms into the bracket by doing a division. So I'm going to take negative 8a divided by negative 8, this number on the outside. So this is going to be negative 8a divided by negative 8. Will just leave me an a. And this negative 24b divided by negative 8 is going to make that into positive, because two negatives make a positive, 3b. With the next one here, we're going to look for what's the biggest number that can fit into all three, 16, 20, and 4. And the largest number is going to be 4. So we're going to make that 4 on the outside. We don't need to put any minuses in there. We'll divide this by 4. Get 16p squared divided by 4. It's going to be 4p squared. Positive 20q. Because remember that we always include the little plus sign as well. Positive 20q divided by 4. It's going to be positive 5q. And then positive 4 divided by 4 is going to make that positive 1. 1.4.2 can match a factorized expression with this expanded form. So one of the things that we need to do is to make sure that we can expand correctly. So here I've got 2m n plus 4 plus 3m m3n minus 2. So when I expand those, that's going to be 2mn. 2m times 4 is going to make that 8m. Plus m times 3n is going to be 3mn. M times negative 2 is negative 2n, or 2m I should say. So this will be 5mn plus 6m, take away 2m, or sorry, 8m, take away 2m, it's going to be 6m. And so our final answer is D.